If you've been feeling fatigued, emotionally overwhelmed, hypersensitive, or simply off, you're not alone. These are common symptoms when your frequency is rising, but your body hasn't fully caught up. In fact, many spiritual seekers experience burnout, chronic tension, or strange physical shifts and don't realize that they're actually going through a light body recalibration. A glimpse into my palm portal healing, which addresses the body through the lens of hand analysis and multidimensional portals that are located in your fingerprints. And if you're ready for deeper personal guidance, I invite you to book a guidance session where we'll identify and clear what's creating imbalance for you and support your body in aligning with your highest frequency. This session includes a deep analysis of your hands, the mirrors to your health and well-being. Your health is your wealth, and your body is your temple. If you don't take care of it, all the other areas of your life will greatly suffer. Let's get you on track to the ascended path of agelessness.